Welcome to part 2 of coloring in Adobe CC. Now we're going to use the dodge and the burn tool. They're right over here. See, the dodge will lighten, the burn will darken, and I'll leave it on the burn tool for the moment. We are going to want to make a new layer. So down by the trash can, I will click the new layer button. I need this new layer to be above, so if you need to adjust it, put it on the top, please do so. And we're going to fill it with gray. So I'm going to go under Edit to Fill, and I'm going to choose the 50% gray. I'll click OK, and then from here I want to change this to Overlay. Now that I've changed it to Overlay, it will affect all the colors below. For example, if I decide to take and add a little shadow here, I can. I can do the same thing under each one of these in order to make it appear as if it has more depth to the image than what it did originally. You can see that it is nice because instead of going to each individual layer, I can dodge and burn it from here. Let's go to the dodge tool. The dodge tool is where we would come up above to give it highlights as if there's some light coming from above. Maybe even add just a little bit in through here. And of course you can highlight right on objects as well if you want to. There's the dodge and the burn. They have been entered. And now the last thing we need to do is add text. So we'll come to the text tool. I'll type in here and you're going to put your name. Now, whatever color is right here, where at the top is the color that you'll have. So if I wanted this to be, say, a lighter color, I could go to white. That's not actually white, but that'll work for what I'm going to do. And now I'm going to click the little check mark. That sets it in place. I could have also clicked enter and it would have done the same thing. But I want to move my name. So I'm going to move it. What if I want to turn it? That's when I come into my Control-T on the keyboard, where I could have gone under Edit to Free Transform. It would have also worked the same way. You see the little box that's around it? I can come over to one of the corners, and I can turn this. Of course, I can make it larger or smaller and also move it. I would pick a spot that it looks kind of nice to put it. In this case, I have an open area. I will hit enter this time. It'll be stuck in the spot that I want it, and I will call this drawing done.